All right, Trevin, what are we talking about this week?
So this week we're actually going to talk about an issue that I run into a lot lately when talking with potential clients or when running into random websites on the internet. And that issue is that people are not designing their websites to be full width. And we'll drop a couple screenshots on the screen so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about when I talk about a full width website and a website that is designing with, we'll call it partial widths. The main reasons why we design at full width is number one, from the consumer's standpoint. When a consumer comes onto your website and they notice that it is not designed at full width, it can leave them with a couple feelings that will cause them to bounce off of the website. Now, the first feeling would be that the website is outdated and it wasn't designed to keep up with the times. And the second feeling would be that the website is very templated and the template wasn't designed to be responsive for each device and each monitor out there. Right? Now, those are reasons that can ultimately lead them to bounce off of the website, and that's a big reason why to design a full width. Now, another reason why we design it full width is because we want to make sure that we get the point across a lot better with the information that you're putting on your website. So when you're using just a typical container that a lot of platforms use that is at a fixed width, you're kind of limited on the size that you can make your image or the size that you can make the readable content. But when you design it full width, and specifically the way that we design it full width, is if you can make a section to be 100% from top to bottom and 100% from left to right, and having the visual content taking up 50% of that space and the written content taking up the other 50, you're able to make it a position on the website that is taking up everything else and they're only able to pay attention to that piece, right? So that's why we design it full width, is number one, to make sure that the consumer is feeling like they're on a website that is up to date with the times and that still feels modern. And number two, we're making sure that we can make your content a lot more visual and easier to digest for the consumer instead of scrunching it all into one piece on the website. So that's our tip of the week. Make sure you design your websites at full width, or another tip would be to design no less than 90% width so that you still are taking up all that space. But if you guys have any other questions, or if you guys just want to follow along each week, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment. We also have our own website with a platform for you guys to be able to watch these videos. So we'll drop that link at the end of this video as well. With that being said, have a good week. We love you. Bye.